Now let's see how to convert a lookup to master detail relationship or else vice versa, master to lookup. Now we have already created a lookup relationship on the position object. Right, so on the position object, we have created the lookup relationship. So first of all, when we are changing the lookup relationship to the master detail relationship or master to the lookup relationship is nothing but I'm just changing the data type, right? I'm just changing the data type from the data type lookup relationship to the data type master detail relationship. That means if you change the data type of the lookup to master detail is nothing but a converting the lookup to master detail, converting the lookup to master detail. Now let's say here, whenever you want to convert the lookup to master detail, there are prerequisites are there. Prerequisites are there. So whenever we are converting it from the lookup to master, we have to make sure that every child record should associate it to the parent record. When you are doing it from the lookup to master. If you are converting from the lookup to master, because the lookup is not mandatory field. Master detail is mandatory field. So when you are converting the lookup to master, we have to make sure that every child record is linked to the parent record. Linked to the parent record. So let's go ahead here. So we have on the position object lookup is a hiring manager which is implemented. Let's cross check this. All the positions are having the lookup field is updated or not. Let's go to the position. Set the field here, which is called as a hiring manager. Click on save. Now almost everyone has a lookup is linked. Now what I can do, I can go to the hiring manager. And now I wanted to convert the lookup to master. If you want to convert the master to lookup to master, then you simply change here field type. When you click on a field type, it will just show you the master. It does not show external objects or other objects. It does not show. So lookup to master. I click on this master detail relationship, click on this next button and then save. Now it is converted to the master detail relationship. Right? It is converted to the master data relationship. But if you do not have a values here, it cannot be converted. So if somebody asks, can we convert the lookup to master? If you want to convert the lookup to master, the first thing is that we need to check on the child object, every record is linked to the parent. If it is not linked to the parent, we cannot convert the lookup to master. Right? Then how about the master to lookup? Master to lookup, you can convert it. But if you have a roll-up summary field, if you have a roll-up summary field on the hiring manager, you cannot convert. Right now on the hiring manager, we do not have any roll-up summary field. Any roll-up summary field is not there. If I go to the hiring manager record, I do not have a roll-up summary fields are not created here. But if you have a roll-up summary fields, then you cannot convert master detail to lookup. Master to lookup, you cannot convert. If you do not have a roll-up summary field, it's a simple, straightforward. Simple, straightforward. Converting the master to lookup, you can convert. Change the field type. Let's convert this lookup. Click on this next. Master to lookup. When you do not have a roll-up summary field on the parent object, then you can convert the master to lookup. So from the lookup to master, the detail, the prerequisites, sir. We need to make sure that every child record is associated to the master detail to lookup. We need to make sure that there is no roll-up summary field. There is no roll-up summary field on the parent. Then you can convert it. If there is any roll-up summary field, then we need to delete the roll-up summary field. Right. So we have to make sure that there is no roll-up field on the parent. If there is any roll-up field, then we have to delete the roll-up field. So this is one prerequisite. From lookup to master or master to lookup. That's about the lookup to master, master to lookup. Homework is convert the lookup relationship between the student and object. In the previous one, where I have mentioned to implement a lookup relationship between the student and books. Now convert the relationship from the lookup to master data relationship between the student and books object. And the next one is convert lookup relationship between the project and team member. Convert the lookup relationship between the project and team member to the master detail relationship. These are the homework and trailhead link. I have given the trailhead link, and there is a referral link which I have provided where we have a detailed information. That's about the lookup to, like converting the lookup to master or master to lookup.